In the ancient days, people didn't need calculators to solve simple math. They used their minds. Their memory was sharp. Their focus was strong. They didn't have mobile phones or digital gadgets, yet they remembered names, numbers, and roots with ease. But once calculators arrived, many began to rely on them for even the simplest tasks. Not because they couldn't calculate, but because they don't want to. They didn't want to waste time or exercise their minds. Tell me, how many of us today can remember a new phone number or recall a new route without GPS? I'm not against science or technology. I use them too. But I'm showing you how these conveniences are quietly reshaping us. Technology has sped up everything, yet weakened the human effort behind it. The internet and mobile phones have reduced the need for movement. Our bodies rest while our screens race. Knowledge increased, but wisdom decreased. Chemicals replaced the organic, and digital replaced the physical. Of course, AI and technology are very helpful in our daily lives. This world is constantly competing with itself, and yes, you do need to be fast to survive in it. But don't lose sight of what's real in the process. It's better to understand the truth behind the rush of this fast world. Because speed without purpose leads to emptiness. But here's something far more serious, something that demands your attention: artificial intelligence. At first, it seemed exciting, fun, fascinating, even magical. But slowly, we discovered that AI can do far better than we can. And it's available to anyone instantly. We began experimenting with it, and before long, we were impressed, even amazed. It felt like we have gained access to a supernatural power. Many fell in love with AI because it doesn't judge like humans do. It became our best companion, our assistant, our teacher, our emotional support. But behind that convenience, something dangerous is happening. You stopped using your brain. Just like humanity stopped walking when it got wheels. AI is creating a generation that no longer thinks for itself, a weaker generation. People now depend on AI for everything. Should I eat? Should I sleep? What should I wear? What should I say? We are watching human intelligence fade before our eyes. The ability to think, discern, choose, and decide is disappearing. Take the devices away, and it feels like people have lost their minds. And this doesn't just affect individuals, it's affecting relationships. People spend more time talking to a perfect, non judgmental companion than with their families or friends. Why? Because humans are imperfect, but AI never argues. So, emotionally, intellectually, and even spiritually, people are bonding with it. But never forget, artificial intelligence was created by fallen human intelligence. It's not perfect. It can never replace the wisdom of God or the Spirit that gives true understanding. Our past generation lived longer, healthier, and wiser lives, not because they had machines, but because they feared God. Yes, you may say they were slow, but we are advanced. But remember, anything that destroys the purpose of creation is not advancement, it's destruction. Please don't misunderstand me. I'm not asking the world to abandon technology. Use it, but don't let it use you. Don't let it destroy your God given abilities, your memory, your reasoning, your strength, your creativity, your spiritual discernment. Read physical books, walk outside, talk to real people, spend time with your family, not just with strangers' content made for profit that comes in your phone. Use technology with wisdom, discernment, and common sense. But don't ever let artificial intelligence replace your human intelligence. And above all, don't let technology makes you feel like you no longer feel to depend on God.